Here's a look at the latest available marine conditions at 8 o'clock a.m. 35 miles northeast of Port Mansfield. East wind at 4 knots. Significant wave speed. Air temperature 73 degrees. 200 miles east of Port Isabel. East wind at 8 knots. Air temperature 77 degrees. Gulf water temperature 76 degrees. Wave heights 2 feet with a period of 4 seconds. Predicted times for the South Padre Island jetties. Today, a low at 9:52 a.m. Tonight, a high at 8:54 p.m. Tuesday, a low at 10:34 a.m. A high at 9:14 p.m. Water temperatures in the bay near Port Isabel, 73 degrees. In the surf at South Padre Island, 70 degrees. Sunrise today at 7:13 a.m. Sunset today at 5:44 p.m. Here's a look at your 8:00 a.m. weather conditions. At the International Airport in Brownsville, with fog reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 71, making the relative humidity 93%. Winds were from the calm. The pressure was 30.19 and rising. And at the Valley International Airport in Harlingen, with fog reported, reducing the visibility to 5 miles, the temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 73, making the relative humidity 100%. Winds were from the southeast at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.19 and rising. Weather conditions across the region at 8 o'clock a.m. in Harlingen, fog, temperature 73 degrees. Southeast wind at 5. Bayview, fog, temperature 68 degrees. North wind at 3. Brownsville, fog, temperature 73 degrees. Calm. Reynosa, fog, temperature 73 degrees. Southeast wind at 3. Edinburgh, cloudy, temperature 73 degrees. Southeast wind at 5. McAllen, cloudy, temperature 74 degrees. Southeast wind at 7. Zapata, fog, temperature 67 degrees. Calm. Hebronville, cloudy, temperature 71 degrees. South wind at 5. Elsewhere across Texas at this hour, Laredo, fog, 67 degrees. Del Rio, cloudy, 52 degrees. El Paso, clear, 41 degrees. Amarillo, clear, 45 degrees. At DFW Airport, partly cloudy, 53 degrees. Houston, fog, 70 degrees. Austin, cloudy, 61 degrees. San Antonio, cloudy, 62 degrees. And in Corpus Christi, fog, 72 degrees. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Cameron and Willacy counties today. Partly sunny. Patchy fog this morning. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Christmas Day, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Temperature falling into the mid-70s in the afternoon. This is a special weather statement for the following areas in Texas: Brooks, Cameron Island, Coastal Cameron, Coastal Willacy, Hidalgo, Inland Cameron, Inland Willacy, Kennedy Island, Kennedy, Star, Willacy Island, and Zapata. Areas of fog are expected to develop across portions of deep South Texas and the Rio Grande Valley overnight and into the early morning hours. Pockets of reduced visibility, generally 1 to 3 miles, with locally dense fog to a mile or less, are likely. Should model guidance and observations from station data and webcams indicate rapid development of more widespread dense fog, a dense fog advisory may be issued overnight for portions or all of the region. Use caution if traveling, as visibility may change rapidly in a short amount of time. Use low beam headlights and leave extra distance between your vehicle and others on the road. Dense fog advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning. What? Dense fog will reduce visibility to 1 nautical mile or less. Where? Laguna Madre between the port of Brownsville and Baffin Bay, and nearshore Gulf waters between the mouth of the Rio Grande and Baffin Bay from 0 to 20 nautical miles. When? Until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time this morning. Impacts: low visibility will make navigation difficult. If you must navigate, proceed with caution. Use proper fog signals. Make sure all running lights are on. Remember to use your radar and compass. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio, broadcasting to the Rio Grande Valley from your National Weather Service in Brownsville. Here's a look at the latest available marine conditions at 8 o'clock a.m. 35 miles northeast of Port Mansfield, east wind at 4 knots, significant wave feet, air temperature 73 degrees. 200 miles east of Port Isabel, east wind at 8 knots. Air temperature 77 degrees, Gulf water temperature 76 degrees. Wave heights 2 feet, with a period of 4 seconds. Predicted times for the South Padre Island jetties